Hi again, welcome back to Modeliks. In this video, we will be looking at the business plan module of Modeliks. Here, you can build your classic long-form document, similar to what you may be used to from traditional document software. However, we at Modeliks did most of the work already for you to put together a comprehensive and compelling document to share with your investors. The business plan module was designed to satisfy format requirements like SBA in the United States, with sections predefined to help you through the process. This is the most typical format requirement for bank loan applications globally. If you're in the process of putting together a business plan document for a loan application, or simply want to have a highly descriptive document to share with investors, this section is for you. Let's get started. The first thing you will realize is that the business plan editor shows you your content in a portrait page format, for documents to print or share with investors to read. Similarly to the pitch module, you will find the sections of your business on your left-hand side. We have predefined the default sections for you already, from a cover page with your company name and contact data, to an executive summary page and then deep dives into your company's opportunity, competition, marketing and sales plan and so on. You can also choose predefined business plan templates for your industry here, plans that we wrote for each industry with very specific content pieces that suit exactly your business. Feel free to use them to get ahead. Here in the banner, you see your current section overview. You can freely edit your sections, rename them, move them around as you see fit and also add sections to your plan. We have plenty of additional content sections ready to suit your business. Each page guides you in great detail on what content you should enter to make your business plan a comprehensive document. Looking at the executive summary page, you see the page structure suggestions ready for you to put your content in. You see smart and interactive charts here too. These are linked directly to your forecast model, so that you never have to worry about updating numbers in charts again. These days are finally gone. But we don't stop there. You can freely edit any section to your liking by adding any objects from our easy-to-use editing banner. You can add text boxes, shapes, icons, charts and much more and arrange these objects in your document as you are used to from other editing software. To your right-hand side, you will find detailed instructions, including links to the most relevant articles in our Help Center, and short instructions to get you started. Further up on the top right, you see Preview Mode, which takes a few seconds to load as Modeliks prepares a ready PDF from your business plan. This preview mode also works beautifully on mobile, so that you have your business plan ready to present in your pocket at any time. In case you want to share your business plan with investors, you can do that through sharing an online link, download as PDF. Modeliks Business Plan module takes the headache out of building your professional plan. You can build an investor-ready plan now in a matter of hours, instead of weeks. Enjoy creating your business plan that investors will love.